Hi guys, in this easy and quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can import reviews from judge.me to your Shopify products. This is going to be a very easy tutorial. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log in into your Shopify store so that you can download the judge.me apps from like Shopify app store. Okay, so you just need to log in into your Shopify store and then click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Okay, so after that you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, and then what you guys need to do, you want to search here for Judge. Okay, you want to search here for Judge.me. Okay, so after guys you search for Judge.me, you want to download these two apps because they work together. Like, you will have to download these apps in order to add the reviews. Now, one of these apps will add like the widget and you can customize it as you want, and another app will help you import products from AliExpress or other platforms to your own Shopify products. Okay, so I'm going to download them. Like, I'm going to start with the first one, which is judge.me product reviews app. And I'm going to go with the first one. I'm going to click on install. After that, guys, you just need to go back and click again, confirm the installation, click on install again. Okay, now we have downloaded the first app. Now I'm going to go back to Shopify App Store. Now I'm going to download this second app, which is judge.me AliExpress reviews, and click on install. So just confirm again, click on install. Okay, so now we have downloaded the apps that will help us import reviews to our Shopify products. Now what you guys need to do, you just need to close all of this, okay, so that you don't like get confused or anything. Now after guys you close all of this, you just need to go back to settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now we are going to start with the first app, which is judge.me reviews. Okay, so click on it and click on open app in the top right. Okay, so it will take you guys to this page. Now what you guys need to do, you just need to click on here, just try the free trial. By the way, you don't have to pay for anything right now, and of course if you don't like the free trial, just make sure you remove the app before 15 days, okay, so that they don't charge your card. Click on try awesome plan 15 days free, and then click on start your free trial, and then click on approve. Okay, so after guys you click on approve, now you started to use the free trial, like 15 days free trial. Now you just need to click here on widgets. Okay, so after guys you click on widgets, then you want to search, you want to select which widget you want. In my case, I always go with the review widget, which is this one. It looks better, and you can of course choose any widget here, the same process. Okay, so I'm going to go with this review widget, click on install. Okay, so after guys you click on install, make sure it will take you directly to your this section here, but you want to go back. Okay, before you just close this. Okay, we want to enable this in our theme editor. As you can see in the top, you can see there's app embeds missing from live theme. So just after you click on install, you just need to ignore it. Now you want to click on enable app embed, and you just need to enable this here. I'm going to click, or as you can see, this is the app, just enable it. As you can see, toggle it on. Okay, after that you want to click on save in the top right. Okay, so after guys you click on save in the top right, then you want to close this, and now you want to go back and then click on install. Okay, where it says review widget, that's the review widget I'm going to add. Click on install. All right, now as you can see, after you are on this page, as you can see review widget added, you want to click on got it, and make sure you click also on save in the top right. Okay, so after guys you click on save, then you just need to close all of this again, and then you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and now you want to click on judge.me AliExpress reviews so that we can import reviews. Click on open app and it's going to take you guys to this page. Okay, so after you are here guys, what you need to do, I'm going to close this. I'm going to show you how you can use this. Now in my case, I only have one product on this Shopify store because I'm just testing. Now as you can see, this is the product, as you can see, and this is the here where it says paste your AliExpress URL. Now what you guys need to do, you just need to go to AliExpress. Okay, I'm going to search here for AliExpress. And then search here for the product that is similar to the product you have on your own Shopify store. Okay, and also make sure the product has some reviews in it. Now in my case, I'm going to search here for, okay, so I'm going to search for a product that is similar to my product and also it has good reviews in it. Okay, so this is the product, and as you can see, this product has like 200 sales, as you can see, and it has 46 reviews. Okay, make sure the product has some reviews so that you can import them to your own Shopify store. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do. Now after you find the product, you can also check the reviews if you like these reviews. If you don't like them, then find a similar product with good reviews that you want to import. Okay, now I want to import reviews from this specific product. Now in the top here, you just need to copy the URL. Okay, click on copy, and then you want to go back, and here it says go back to the app, and then here where it says AliExpress URL, you just need to right click and then paste that URL here, and then click on import. And here they will ask you guys if you want, for example, like to change something here, if you want like the number of reviews, if you want to import more reviews, like 20 reviews or more, you can just like select how many reviews you want to import. Now I only want to import, I would say, like 30 reviews. Now you can also click on advanced settings if you want to like deselect a country that you don't want to import reviews from. For example, let's say Russia or UK. You can just deselect these countries, and then reviews will not be imported from these specific countries. Okay, and of course you can also like import reviews only for example from USA. Okay, if you want to do that, you can just uncheck all of these and leave only USA. I don't usually use these advanced settings, but I'm just going to I'm just trying to show you guys the apps. Okay, how you can use this. Now you want to import, click on import reviews, and as you can see, import is in progress. Now just to give it a few seconds and these reviews will appear on your Shopify. Now I'm going to click here on the product, and as you can see, this is this is the product that I have imported to my Shopify store, and these are the reviews. Okay, these are the reviews. Now if they don't appear here, the reviews don't appear on your Shopify, you just need to copy the URL on your product and then open it in a browser where you are not logged into your Shopify store. It says here opening, so because I have like a password, I'm just going to remove a password from my Shopify store, and then I will show you guys how you can do this. Preferences. Okay, don't know what this is. Okay, so I'm going to unselect this password. Okay, so I'm going to go back, and I'm going to show you guys what I mean exactly. This is the product. Now I'm going to copy the URL, and I'm going to open it in a new tab, or you can just send this URL to your phone and then open it on your phone and see if the reviews appear. These are the reviews, as you can see here. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Make sure you drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you guys in the next video.